you've been in the RPA space for a while, you know one of the toughest parts of the RPA journey is documenting processes correctly. Often, Center of Excellence teams will literally have to copy and paste screenshots into Word documents as the business does a task that's going to be automated. But no more. With Uipath Task Capture, you can easily document your RPA processes step by step. Let's check it out in action. Let's say I just submitted an automation idea in Automation Hub to send my wife a subtle message about the Christmas gift that I want. And it has an 84% automation score, and I'm able to save, along with this automation idea, automation documentation with Task Capture. So all I have to do is click on the Task Capture button. Task Capture opens up and it asks if I want to create a process diagram or jump straight to capturing a process. Let's do the latter. So when I capture a process in Task Capture, it's literally checking every click I make, every keystroke I make. So for my automation, I want to go to Amazon and I want to scroll to the book that I want. And then let's say I want to copy and paste that book into Excel. I save it, and then let's say I want to send it to my wife. All right, so I'm just putting my wife there. And let's say that that's the recording of the process. As you can see, Task Capture goes in and it sees every application that I used. So it goes from Chrome to the section on Amazon that I went to Excel, to where it was shared. And the great thing about Task Capture is that I can also annotate these as needed. So if this was a real world scenario, I could jump in here. Let's say I wanted to make sure that RPA developers knew, say, pay special attention to the title section or something. So I can add notes here. I can add a ton of information that helps make the jobs easier for RPA developers in the COE. And the best part is when I'm done with my workflow in Task Capture, I'm able to export it out to a ton of different places. So first off, I can export it to a Word document. And then when I open it, I see that this is now in the process definition document template. Pulls out various information from Task Capture, tells me about the as-is process. I can add in more details here. I can see the process map, statistics about where I clicked, where there were text entries, keys pressed, and then ultimately the screenshots of the process at work. The other great thing is if I want to export it out to Studio, I'm also able to do that. So I can hit export to Uipath Studio and it will literally save it as a workflow as well. For the purpose of time, I won't jump in there, but you get the point. It makes life easier for developers. The other cool thing is that I'm able to save the Task Capture file to Automation Hub, so the whole team can see the Task Capture output. So that wraps up things for Task Capture. Again, you don't have to copy and paste screenshots anymore as you document your RPA processes. You can share Task Capture with your team and accelerate your RPA documentation. And if you want to try out Task Capture for yourself, it's as simple as going to uipath.com/Task Capture, and you can literally try Task Capture free. So give it a spin. Let us know what you think. Thanks.